How to download location on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to download location on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click the three lines here in the top corner and go down, click settings and privacy and then settings, and here just go down, click active, click this one, download your information, and then just click it, select all and click here location, and after you click on it just go down and click create file, and after you click create file just wait and it will be created. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.